Wait a minute, god dang. I'm about to get a new windshield anyway, so it really don't matter. That really don't even matter. I wonder if he... Oh man, I got another car over here. I wonder if he put this bitch on right. Oh, he did. I ain't gonna lie, I thought he just... What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Hemiworldproductions. Click the video, you know what's going on. We back with another video. Hey man, it's been a long time. Whew. But man, I ain't had really nothing to record. Little stuff I thought I'd be able to record, but it just wasn't worthy of being recorded. I didn't want to waste nobody's time, and I ain't want to waste my time, to be honest. But man, finally got a real update of what's going on, and I can finally give a little more videos. Hopefully I can give a couple more after this. So hopefully I can start back to being consistent. I know one thing, after this is done, oh man, you talking about trying to build something else. I ain't gonna lie to you, I know I'm gonna try to build something else, but taking it to him to do it, nah, that's what we ain't gonna do. And you probably asking yourself, then why is it still there? Because all these other shops, they taking equally as long. They are booked up. Only shop I talked to that it was at a good time, they was like, we can get your engine in and refresh it. That's just gonna take 3 weeks. But the car is gonna take 3 months to finish. God dang. I'm already in a lose-lose situation right now, so it really wouldn't matter to me. It's like, shoo. But man, then oh shit. Why y'all put that shit down? But yeah, man, it's been a lot going on, just finding a lot of little pieces for the car and trying to get everything together. And I still gotta refresh the engine, but we'll go over that. But man, it's a lot going on. And I'm trying to get everything popping off, because I'm trying to get my YouTube popping. I'm just trying to get it going. But my man's holding me back. I ain't gonna lie, shops hold me back, and that's why I see why people, when they find one person that can do it at a good, reliable time, they stick to them. They don't like to go to nobody else. I fully understand that now. Fully understand it. But I'm gonna go ahead and cut this off, and I'm gonna cut it back on when I get to the car. All right, we are here. Hey, look at my baby. Man, can't even focus this dirty windshield. Ooh. Yeah. We still looking the same on here too. Every time I try to find some rims for this bad boy, they never go good. I mean, I ain't gonna lie. Trying to find rims for a truck is the hardest thing to do, because it's a certain style that I like, and nobody likes that style. If I just got to buy them hoes brand new, but I really want to buy some because I want to go to some car shows, because I ain't gonna make it to the car show with this year, because this man just don't hold me up for the longest. But yeah, we still the same over here. We're still the same. Everything's still stock. I got more engines right here. He said this was sold. I ain't been here in a hot minute, because there ain't no reason to come. Ooh, coilover still hidden. Yeah. I don't know what the hell that is, but yeah. Wait a minute, god dang. I'm about to get a new windshield anyway, so it really don't matter. That really don't even matter. I wonder if he... Oh man, I got another car over here. I wonder if he put this bitch on right. Oh, he did. I ain't gonna lie, I thought he just slapped it on there. But hey, look at what we have here. Whew. It been, man, it been a minute, I ain't gonna lie. almost a year, pretty much a year. Man, look at all that hard work I did. Now I gotta respray all that. I just gotta spray it on down. I do still gotta get another tray. But, hey man. 6.0, we are here. Finally. Finally. My man's came, did a little welding job, missing one bolt over there because he gotta fully line it up some more, he said. What else he said he had to do? Oh, he still have to run the wires and everything else, and yeah. And the crazy thing about it, I don't even know if this bad boy worked, because I've been having it for a hot little minute. I don't even know if it works. The dude I bought it from, he said it worked, but you know, anybody can lie just to get some money. But so he got to wire it up, and after he wired it up, then he already threw some wires over there. Now I see that. I didn't see all that. So he is prepping to get everything out the way and get everything started. I guess gonna run it through down that way. But yeah. So yeah, everything is moving along slowly but surely. I can't remember what YouTube I've been watching, but he hit it like the nail on the head. He was like, slow motion better than no motion. And man, just seeing this makes me happy. I ain't gonna lie, but it been so long. Like it should have been done. This should have been done. But can't complain, just keep on going, and you learn from your mistakes and keep it moving. But yeah, what else he said need to be done? I know he got to change out the spark plugs and everything else, and transmission mount. That's one reason why it's been at a standstill too, because I'm waiting for my transmission mount to come in, because he said he was going to do something else to the stock thing, and I was like, I don't want to mess anything up and something fall apart and everything else. So we just got the transmission mount coming. I don't know what is all this up here. Yo, guess a good mind what all this is up here. But yeah, man, this is a little mini update. I don't know what this is. I guess it's, oh, this is what he had on the front, because when it was sitting outside or whatever, sitting out here in the weather, they want water to get down and everything into there. God dang, is that supposed to be like that? I don't know. I ain't gonna lie to you, I do not know. But yeah, I don't think it is, but it looked like it's supposed to be. It really don't matter. I'm gonna get a new intake anyway, so that don't even matter. I'm gonna get rid of that. But still, I gotta freshen everything up, and you already see I had the new headers and everything, and yeah, it just need to go perfectly. Right now, just waiting on him to do two things. Well, basically just one thing. All he really gotta do is wire it up and show me it work. If show me it work, y'all gonna see a video of me putting this on the trailer, and we finna go get this bad boy refreshed by the next person, because he's not gonna do it, because we ain't gonna do all that. That's gonna take too long. Then I gotta do the exhaust and everything else, and yeah, but we good, man. We good. We are making some progress 15 years later. That's what it seemed like. I just want my baby back. I ain't gonna lie. I just want my baby back. And I gotta get a radiator. What the hell? Hey, where the fuck is my bad? I'm doing all this cussing. Where's my battery at? Where that red top is, shawty? What's going on here? I don't like the way that's looking. Where that red top is though? Oh, okay. Ah, come on now, not on the carpet though. Come on now. Oh, wait a minute. It don't matter. I gotta clean all that up. I gotta get all weather stripping and everything else. I still got a lot to do to this car. I really don't, but on the cool, it seemed like a lot, but it's really not. Like I could, if he would have had the engine out the way, I could have made it to the car shows. But I really don't even want to pull up to the car show if I'm not pulling up with the car I'm doing it for. That don't even make sense. Like I ain't got no problem taking the truck, but I gotta have some rims on the truck. I'm not showing up just stock. That's just stupid. So yeah, if it requires me to sit down for a minute, then I'm just going to sit down, because I still got to go to my boy, and he got to get me lined up with that, because this ain't it. He hit me with nothing but glue. Like, nah, you gonna take this apart. We're gonna do this the right way. You finna stitch that together, because that's on all the doors. I'll be dang. I'll be dang. I can't think he come back to what? How did? Hey, wait a minute. How you get in here, my boy? Got a waltz in here. Come on, man. That's how you know this bad boy been sitting. But yeah, nah, that's on all the doors. I can't even still got my wires right there. So yeah, it's coming together slowly, real slowly. But he said this weekend when the part come in, transmission mount should be good. Throw that on the bottom of there. He said he should be able to wire it up if they ain't killing him at work, and hopefully he hurry up and get to that so I can actually see if this bad boy works. So if this bad boy works, ooh, another video, go ahead and refreshing it because I'm not doing nothing to it for a while. I'm not gonna lie. I wanted to throw the headers on there, throw the intake on there. I'm just gonna do all that later on down the line because I wanted to do it like right off the bat because I know what horsepower I wanted to make. I wanted to say hit it and have fun, but as long as this bad boy running, I need to do my wires for the air. But as long as this bad boy running, that's all I want for right now. I just want my baby back, and I'll do all the rest of that stuff later. Because once you have your car gone for so long, you'll understand. You just want it back. It's like, nah, I ain't finna do all the rest of this stuff right now. I'd rather wait. Have you took anything else off? Nah. I gotta get a box or something for that, because that ain't it. You out here tripping. Just gonna sit it just directly on the carpet. Man, it's brand new carpet. I'm thinking about changing out this carpet though. I ain't gonna lie to you. I seen a picture on Facebook of somebody that what's in here? Nah, I can't use that. Of somebody that got like, we ain't gonna talk about it, but I'm gonna change out that carpet. Most likely later on down the line. But yeah, this is the update. Man, all I can really say is I'm happy, but I'm not happy because, like I said, it should have been done. But whew, all I can say is, dang, I really can't say nothing. But hey, man, comment, like, subscribe. Y'all come back and holler at your boy. Y'all take it easy.